A for apple, B for bow, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat, I for igloo, J or jam, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for octopus, P for pig, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for top, U for umbrella, V for van, W for whale, X for x-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra.